Alright guys, here is a Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus, not Cameron 2 Plus, just Cameron 2, 44 inches. This fan was manufactured sometime in the 90s because there's a Hunter low profile light kit that came with this fan. These fans have been around since the 90s at least. It's missing a little thing that covers up here. See, this is the part that covers up there. Also, just got a little burnt spot from the light kit. But there's the top. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on low. Alright, we'll turn to medium. Here's medium. Yeah, a couple of the blade arms were bent. I bent the back. So, it still wobbles, but it's... But, it is what it is sometimes. Oh yeah, and that pull trim snaps, so I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, if they have any, and get a pull trim for that light kit. The canopy is not original to the van. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn it to high. High speed. Oh, goodness. And we'll turn it off. Yeah, I got this fan at Habitat along with that Craft Me decorative up there with the one with the pretzel brackets up there. And they got the other Cameron 2 Plus from there too. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, what we have here is a Hampton Bay Cameron 2 with a Hunter low profile light kit. So we're going to start with the light. Got this at the Chantilly Habitat Home Center, Restore, specifically, for $15. That's what a lot of fans were. So here's the fan. So, it's a nice fan. I'll turn it off. I'll start on low. Here's low speed. This fan's from, well, these fans have been around since the 90s, but this fan is going to be sold to Emmanuel, or known as Eman Fan on YouTube. So, show you the angles here. I'll go ahead and turn on medium. Is medium. I'll go ahead and turn it on high. High speed. I'll turn off the light here. Off. So here's the top. Okay. Here's what the top looks like. Alright, thanks for watching.